Hello children. In one of the previous lectures we have seen that the brokerage has to be paid while buying as well as while selling the shares. So these two examples which I have written on the board are based on the same information. Let us discuss the two examples one by one. The first example says, this is given in practice set 4.4 on, this is the first example on page number 109. And that is the second example on the same page. Market value of a share is rupees 200. Rate of brokerage is 0.3%. We know that brokerage is always calculated on the market value. So, actual brokerage is 0.3% of market value. So, simplify this. These two zeros cancel with this. You get 0.3 into 2, that is 0.6. Rupees 0.6. Now, when you are purchasing, so you have to actually pay the market value plus the brokerage also. Okay? Because market value will go to the seller. But 0.6 rupees that brokerage has to go to the broker. Okay? So, purchase price of the share will be rupees 200 plus 0.6. 200 रुपए मार्केट वैल्यू भी देना पड़ेगा और ब्रोकर को उसका कमीशन 0.6. सो द नेट परचेस प्राइस विल बी रुपीज 200.6. तो जब आप खरीद रहे हो तो ब्रोकर को आपको कमीशन देना होता है. ओके. द सेकंड एग्जांपल इज फॉर सेलिंग द शेयर. ओके. द इंफॉर्मेशन इज सेम. नाउ इन दिस केस somebody is selling the share. Market value of the share is rupees 1000. Rate of brokerage is 0.1%. Actual brokerage 0.1% of 1000. That comes out to be rupees 1. Now when you are selling, you have to pay the brokerage to the broker. तो 1000 रुपए में बेचा गया और ब्रोकर अपना 1 रुपया रख लेगा तो आपको वापस कितना करेगा? रुपीज 1000 minus 1. Okay, that is rupees 999. So actual amount received after selling the share is equal to rupees 1000 minus 1, that is rupees 999. So what do you understand from this example? When you are purchasing, that time also you have to sell the share. So at the time of purchase you have to add the brokerage to the market value. At the time of selling you have to subtract, then you get whatever amount is received. So two examples on two different types of transactions. One is while purchasing, the other one is while selling.